on, let's go this way. Come on, nope. Not to the forest, doggies. Come on, let's go. Just walking my dogs. Of course, this one just runs and this one walks. Come on, let's go. Of course, other stuff been popping around. Sorry for like not many recent videos, but you know, like stuff. Like I could record more, but the thing is, like I'm too busy, and like I don't know if the channel's gonna grow as much or anything. So you know, just record like a 5-minute video before I go to my house. I'm not gonna show you it because like I don't want like bands or anything. I'll show you the road. Like, yeah, road. Road. Let's go. Come on. The dogs want to go to the house over there. I'm not gonna, don't want to show you guys though. And, just sniff it. Sniff that bush. And not walk. Okay, let's go. Come on, Benny. Come on, we have to go to the house. I left the door open by accident. Come on, doggies. Come on, doggies. Giddy up. Oh, Benny, come on. We're gonna go down. Okay, you wanna go down the grass and tangle me? Okay, let's go. Come on. Come on, doggies. Looks like my leash is like this, with my camera like just recording. Come on. Come on, Bella. Let's go inside. You wanna go inside? Let's go inside. And let me close the door. Come on. Come on, doggies. Hurry. Before all the air comes out. Come on, doggies. Oh my gosh, you're making Benny almost fall. Come on. Come on, doggies. Come on. Let's go. Why is your random golf ball? Why is it random golf ball? Come on, doggies. Come on. Oh, you got tangled. Come on, let's go inside. Come on, let's go inside. Come on, doggy, stop trying to trip me. Okay, let's go inside. Come on, doggies. Bella. Come on, Bella, let's go. Bella keeps like making her stuff tangled. And Benny's just not even walking, basically. Just sits there. Come on, doggies. Time to let you off the leash. That's where we get inside. Come on, doggy. Okay, you're just gonna go around me, so I have to walk backwards. Okay. Come on, doggies. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, doggies. Come on, Benny. See you guys later.